Hello, now we're here on the field with the third prototype of the Alpha Jet Twin40 EDF, and I have made final changes. I changed the EVD and some other small things. The wings are from the version 2, prototype version 2, and now we have the final Checkflight. Bitte? Ja. Wenn er nicht kann. So guys, the Alpha Jet flies really well, but I've used the Works 20 amp ESCs and they are a lot too hot, and now that's the reason why the Alpha Jet comes down. But I want to release it. Some people wait for it, and it was only an electrical problem. And yes, I think we're ready to rock. Yes.